Hey everyone, I'm NiftyCrispy, and I get asked every so often, how do I frame my own jerseys? What shadow box frames do I use? Where do I get them? So I figured I may as well just make a how-to video on how to do it while I'm doing two new jerseys I received. I am no pro in any sense of doing this. This is a very do-it-yourself. I half-assed amateur this. Two examples are right behind me of ones I've done before. Let's do this. So what you'll need for this are scissors, pins, 24-inch by 30-inch shadow box, and a 30-inch by 20-inch dry erase foam board. You can find the shadow box and the foam board at Michael's. The shadow box goes for $130. The foam board is $30. You can always check Michael's website for their weekly coupons of 30 to 50% off an item. Never pay full price for their items. So to start off, remove everything from their plastic wrapping. And then when you put the foam board into the shadow box, you will notice that it will not fit. What you will need to do is cut about ½ inch off the bottom of the foam board for it to fit inside the shadow box. Next, go to the opposing side of the foam board and round off the two corners for your shoulders of the jersey. Next, you will cut a slot out of the middle for the collar. That way, if your collar drops down a bit, the white of the foam board will not show. You will slide the foam board into the jersey all of the way. Make sure that the board is centered on the jersey. Once you have the foam board in the spot you'd like it to be, make sure that all the wrinkles on the body of the jersey are out. Next, you will fold the arms and pull the cuff down as far as it will go. Don't pull too tightly though. Then you will pin the inside of the cuff towards the middle of the jersey. Repeat these steps for the other arm. Once you have that completed, flip the jersey over and insert it into the shadow box. Pull the bottom of the body of the jersey out through the bottom of the foam board to tighten any wrinkles off the back of the jersey. Next, you'll do the same things with the arms, pulling on them towards the back of the shadow box to pull any of the wrinkles out. Next, partially install the back of the shadow box and flip over to see what will need work on the back of the jersey. You will never have this done the first time. There will always be tweaks to make. Flip it back over and fix any issues that there are. You may need to just pull a bit more, or you may need to repin a couple more times. Sometimes I will take a picture with my phone of the back of the jersey just to visualize what side will need the work done. Once you're happy with how the jersey looks, I like to put the certificate of authenticity in the back of the shadow box against the front of the jersey as safekeeping. That way they're together and one doesn't get lost. Install the back of the shadow box correctly with the hangers on the proper side for hanging. Once you have it fully installed, you are ready to hang. So there you have it. That's how I've been doing my jerseys for a little bit. I've tweaked things as I've gone along. This has been a 1.5 years worth of jersey framing. I initially got into this just watching YouTube videos and just tweaking things that I saw in their videos a little bit to make it a bit easier. If you have any questions or if this worked out for you, let me know in the comments. I'd love to see them. If you found this very helpful, like, subscribe, share it. Other guys that want to do this. And I hope to see you around in a stream or social media or anything like that. So yeah, take it easy. See you around.